Top 5 Best Telescoping Ladders. Let's get started with the list. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, xtend+climb Telescoping Ladder. The xtend+climb 785P packs quite a bit to like in its compact and lightweight package. Our top pick treats owners to an impressive 15.5-foot maximum length, which will make the tool good for handling a wide range of jobs. The strong aluminum alloy that's used in this tool ensures that it's both lightweight and durable. The tool also converts easily for transportation. It's fully collapsible and features a carrying handle strap that will make it easy to move from one place to another. Last but not least, the tool also features a solid, 250-pound weight capacity. Most adults will be able to safely ascend it, even with tools in tow. At number 2, LifeWit 12.5 feet TN131. The LifeWit is going to be a great option for buyers who are keeping a close eye on their budget. This tool is a little bit shorter than the last two that we looked at, but with 12.5 feet of length, you should still be able to gain access to most home roofs. There really is a lot more to like about this tool than its price. The weight capacity is 330 pounds, which should be sufficient for most users. You still get the sturdy aluminum alloy materials. The tool can also be made to be very compact. The ladder collapses to only 4 feet so that it will be very easy to store and transport. These things aside, it's a very budget-friendly option for buyers who don't want to compromise on quality. At number 3, Jason Telescoping Ladder. Light and strong, this aluminum telescoping ladder has a respectable weight limit of 330 pounds. Weighing in at only 25 pounds, it's pretty light compared to other ladders of similar strength. It extends to a full length of 13.5 feet. Again, this is pretty decent considering the low weight of this ladder. While it's a very usable ladder overall, one thing we didn't like was the sway when the ladder was fully extended. Telescoping ladders are never as strong as other types of ladders, but this one just didn't feel quite as stable as some competitors that we tested. That said, it's at a very modest price point that many people may still find attractive. At number 4, Hausse Telescoping Ladder. With a weight capacity of 330 pounds, this stout telescoping ladder from Hausse offers a unique option for the top. While most ladders simply lean against a structure for support, the Hausse ladder actually has removable hooks that can go in the very top to help secure your ladder. At 27 pounds, this is on this lighter side of the scale, and it folds up to just under 3 feet high. The problem with this ladder was discovered when trying to extend it. Some sections didn't want to extend and had to be made to move by hand. This was more of an inconvenience than anything, but over time it could become an annoyance. Although it's decent overall, with so many similar options on the market, we have to suggest one that's more reliable. At number 5, Flash 12.5 FT Telescoping Ladder. Flash Enterprise offers an affordable telescoping ladder that has some features that may be looked at positively or negatively. For instance, when folded closed, there are rubber stoppers between each rung to prevent them from closing all the way. This stops you from smashing your fingertips between rungs when the ladder closes. However, it also means that this ladder is 6 inches larger than competitors when fully closed. Some may prefer the safety feature, but if you need to fit this in an already crowded RV, then the extra size when folded may be a real nuisance. The final straw for this ladder was the cheap plastic on the rungs. It's not holding up well to use, and in several places, it started cracking within the first few weeks. So if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.